Hello everyone. In this lecture pertaining to the engine emissions, we are going to see what are the certain laws or the rules, or if we call them more specifically, what are the emission and norms which are applicable in different countries of the world. This graphical representation of the map, it will show us which norm is currently being used in which country. The most obvious bifurcation is shown over here by the US and Canada. Then again, in South America, you have different rules pertaining to Brazil, and also in Japan, you have different rules. As far as European countries, Asian countries are concerned, we have Euro norms in place. We all very well know that exhaust emissions, they are sent out into the atmosphere because of the combustion of the hydrocarbon fuels in the engine. In ideal case, only CO2 and H2O will be formed because of combustion. However, this does not happen. Along with CO2 and H2O, some amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, ozone, some particulate matters are also present. All these components are extremely hazardous as far as their effects on human health and environment is concerned. As a result, countries around the world, they have adopted certain emission norms which are in place to determine which vehicle or which engine is suitable for operation. Until and unless the engine emissions, they pass the standards set by these norms, they are not brought into final production beyond the pilot batch. So what are they? If we consider the emission norms in European countries, we have Euro 1, Euro 2, Euro 3, 4, 5, 6, and now so on. The equivalent in India which are used are BS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, which stands for Bharat Stage 1, Bharat Stage 2, Bharat Stage 3, Bharat Stage 4, and so on. Now, these norms, they lay a particular emphasis on the amount of emissions, specifically on CO, hydrocarbon and oxides of nitrogen, and particulate matter. As far as carbon monoxide is concerned, it is taken in gram per kilometer. Also, hydrocarbons and nitrous oxides, they are, and particulate matters, they are also taken under gram per kilometer. As the norms, they have gone upgrading these allowable limits for all these pollutants. They are decreasing subsequently. Like, for if we consider the norms that were brought into place somewhere around 1996, if we consider, CO was 8.68 gram per kilometer to 12.4 for petrol. For diesel, it was 5.7. However, as the norms, they have gone upgrading, they have been significantly reduced, like below 1, below 1.5, below 1, and so on. So these are the emission norms by whose standards all the engines must abide as far as their exhaust emissions are concerned. Thank you very much.